to find out? Hi. Is a very accommodating person today. How are you to find out, guys? Are you?
I work a lot in the slums of Tondo, Manila, and the life there is it's poor and it's very sad. And I've always taught myself to look for the beauty in it, to look in the beauty in the faces of the children, and to be grateful. And
Tayong gumagawa ng himala. Tayong gumagawa ng sumpa ng Diyos. Walang himala.